Hello everyone. Today I want to just review with you the results from the Wilton's letter and number cake pan set. I really did like the pan. The only thing about it's just a personal preference. I don't particularly like darker cake pans, but now that I know how to manipulate my temperature. So I looked over it and I noticed right away that it had some dividers and cutters for you. So after I put the batter into my pan, and again I followed the instructions on how to create a number 3 is what I'm trying to do here. It did pretty good, although it did look like an E initially, but with the cutters it kind of helps form the 3 a little bit better and shape it up. And so after that I just put some buttercream on it. I added some edible flowers and fruits, and I created a 13 for my niece's birthday party. Thank you guys for watching.